Hi everyone, this is Kavita. I'm an accounting subject matter expert with Bista, working with customers in implementing accounting processes. I have worked with hundreds of customers over past 6 years and I have seen a lot of people struggling with bank reconciliations and credit card matching. They make errors and it takes them a lot of time and people to get the corrections done. It requires understanding of companies' specific business and intricacies of transactions to match adequately. However, before AI, it was not possible to get a good automation due to the human judgment involved in the process. We have developed a bank reconciliation agent which gets up to 95% match as compared to 80 to 85 percentage by other tools. So this tool reads statement lines, payments, journal entries and applies existing rules first. If rules doesn't work, it matches on other criteria how a human would do. It not only books charges and fees but also flags exceptions for one-click review. And the result you can see is astonishing. Where static rule give about 48.3% of accuracy, with AI you can increase it to 98.6% with a full audit trail. Now let me go to Odoo and start the demo. So here is the AI reconciliation agent. Let me click on this. You will get a dashboard here and you can see the bank journals listed. You can either run reconciliation for specific bank journal or all journals combined from here. Now you can see the button to run the reconciliation. You can also see last reconciliation run with date and time stamp. And then there are different smart buttons available to segregate those statement lines into reconciled, unreconciled charges or error section. Now for today, I'm going to run the chase checking reconciliation. I can click on this bank journal here, click on run reconciliation. One more thing, you can run the reconciliation either daily, weekly or monthly. Till the time reconciliation is running, I can go to accounting from here and you can see 143 items under chase checking which are open for reconciliation. The reconciliation is running and it will take about 40 to 50 seconds. Meanwhile, we can go through the steps involved to run the reconciliation. So let me go to dashboard again, come here. You can see there are 7 steps involved. First one is execution of plan where it gives you the details of all 7 steps. Second is all your bank statement information, the date and the statement lines. Then you will get all account move lines which are open, posted and ready for reconciliation. Then you can get the rules and you can also see the total matched lines to specific rules. Now there will be direct matching transactions. Then there will be bank reconciliation with no direct match. And the last one is full bank reconciliation overview. Now let me go to the first browser. You can see the reconciliation is already run. Now let me go to the dashboard and there is chase checking. You can see 142 pending to review. So once I click on this, all steps will get open again. Now you don't have to review these steps again and again because these are specific rules and the information. Now let me go to step 6 and you can see there's one entry which is not reconciled and no specific rule has been applied. So for this you can create manual journal entry, and if this is specific payment entry, there you can do the reconciliation and then AI will learn the rule and next time it will keep that in mind for running the reconciliation. Now, if I go to step 7, you can see the accuracy rate, the lines processed, the pending review, and the reconciliation rate here. One more thing over here, you can see all decision to run. So here you will get the statement line with the target payment and the GLs here. You can review this either by clicking on view all, or you can download the information to review it. Now, AI can run the reconciliation, but in accounting, it is always human intervention is required to meet the audit and compliance requirement. So once you review, you can come down and click on confirm and review. So once you click on that, you can see 142 approved and reconciled. Now let me go to dashboard again. If I go to the chase checking, you can see the reconciliation rate, the unreconciled item. So this way you can run your reconciliation with accuracy, minimum time, and by keeping your audit and compliance into your mind. Thank you.